Okay, my friends, organic and inorganic materials. Organic materials are made from plants and animals. For that reason, they are organics. Inorganic materials are made from rocks and minerals. Now we are going to check the main difference in between minerals and metals. Organic materials include wood, paper, textiles, animal parts. They include natural materials that, of course, they are organics, and they are coming from fossils, plants, and animals. Carbon, silica, and germanium are located in the division for that reason. They are called semiconductors. Semiconductors because depending on the temperature, those three elements work in some cases like metals, in some cases like non-metals. Be careful. When you have the structure of your boat in carbon fiber, that structure becomes metallic depending on the temperature. For that reason, in Caribbean, especially during the summer, the boats in carbon fiber, the structure becomes metallic. You need to be careful when you install, especially electronic equipment. Be careful with the grounding and the bonding connection of those elements. A good example is wood. Wood is basically a polymer of cellulose. Cellulose is the main component of the polymer, and wood is a perfect polymer. It's a natural polymer. Example of monomers and polymers. For example, glucose, fructose, and galactose, those are monomers. And polymers are lactose, maltose, saccharose, those are examples of polymers. Yeah, the monomers are the block and the polymer is the chain. A good example of a thermosetting plastic is the resin, the epoxy resin and the polyester resin. We are going to use two types of resins. We are going to use epoxy resins and a polyester resin. Both of them are a great example of thermosetting plastics. And now we are going to analyze each of those resins in details. Types of polymerization. Remember that the polymerization is the process of connection different monomers. There are two types of polymerization. There are processes that produce water at the end, and a process of polymerizations where you need added and other external element. Condensation polymerization, in which the chain growth is accomplished by elimination of water. That's very common. And addition polymerization, in which the polymer is formed without the loss of other material. There are many variants of subproducts of polymerization reactions. When you finish the process of polymerization, the production of nylon, you have water and nylon. And the nylon can be extended to produce a lot of fibers in a clothing industry, in different type of industries. Yeah, this is the example. We have water in the bottom and nylon on top. This is one of the polymerization process that produces a subproduct. In this particular case, the subproduct is water.